Today we're back in Celina to tour another neighborhood, but first we're gonna stop by this brand new coffee shop that just opened up here in Celina. Alright, so it's our first time trying 7 Brew, and I'm definitely a fan. We got the Blondie, so please comment below which drink you usually get there. This is the first drink we've ever had, and love it. So I'd like to know what you like to drink there. Alright, let's go ahead and go inside and start our tour. Alright, so we are at CB JENI in their Sweetwater floor plan. This is their model in Celina Hills. So this house is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It is 2,052 square feet, and it is right now a base price of $397,990. It is such a cute house, and CB JENI's are townhomes, but they don't feel or look like townhomes, especially this model. So we're gonna start. This is the front door. Now the front door faces sideways, and the garage is in the front of the home, which means that you actually have a backyard. And in this neighborhood, all the backyards come fenced in as well, which is kind of rare for townhomes to actually have a good size fenced in yard. So let's start with this tour of the Sweetwater. So as you can see, you come in the door and it opens up into the living room. Lots of windows and natural light. So this is an end unit. So it's gonna have more natural light than probably a interior unit, because it does have the windows on the side and not just the back or the front. As you can see, we've got a really good size dining area. You at least put these chairs are big. This is a large table, so you could probably put at least, I would say 6 to 8 people at a dining table here. And then you've got your kitchen to the left. Lots of counter space. I love the backsplash. You've got your stainless steel appliances. And a lot, like I said, a lot of counter space and a lot of cabinet space for a 2,000 square foot home. And they do have gas here too in this kitchen. Yeah, lots of good space. You have a little tiny place here next to the fridge. And then right here you've got under the stairs closet space. And then next to the closet, you have a really good sized pantry. That's a huge pantry. And then across from the pantry, you have a powder or half bathroom. The pedestal sink. Very well done. Okay, let's go back out through the kitchen. Oh, look at this. I didn't notice this before. You actually have nice, good sized drawers here. It's so much easier to store stuff in drawers than just regular cabinets sometimes, especially your pots and pans when you're trying to cook. And I love how the drawers are right next to the oven, ready to go. All right, so you've got the dining room again, and then you've got your backyard. And this is a really good space for a townhome backyard. So let's go look real quick out the window. You can see the fence is nice here too. You've got, it's like it's probably a 6-foot fence, 5.5 to 6 foot. Really good space, especially if you've got small children or regular sized children and pets that need to go outside. Yeah, this end unit, when they eventually sell this end unit as the model, this is a great, great location in this neighborhood. Got the views of the pond and everything. Okay, so let's go back through towards the front door. And on the other side of the front door, you've got a bedroom with an attached full bathroom. This is not the primary. This is like either a guest suite, or if you have multiple children and you use this as a bedroom for one of them, or if you need a home office and you would prefer to have the home office downstairs, this would be a great room for a home office. You've got a walk-in shower in this model. And you've got a good size vanity and everything. Oh, this is nice. Actually, it's a nice place. I know I talk about this a lot too, but if you have older parents or anybody visiting who can't climb the stairs, this is a really, really nice bedroom to have. A lot of townhomes don't have a bedroom downstairs or a full bathroom for that matter. Okay, let's go upstairs and take a look up there. Okay, so top of the stairs, the first thing you have to your left is the washer and dryer, which is really nice because most of the bedrooms are upstairs. Whoops, I'm leave that alone. Anyways, most of the bedrooms are upstairs, and so it's nice to have the laundry done where all your clothes are and most of your towels are. Very nice. Okay, so coming around the side of the staircase, a small little loft slash game room area. It's a nice place for the kids to hang out, or if you don't need to use this as a game room, this could be a nice little space for a home office. All right, so we'll go straight ahead. This is bedroom number 2. So this is a secondary bedroom. There's no attached bathroom to this one, but it's got really good views of the backyard, and it has a really nice closet, especially for a secondary bedroom. Okay, so coming out of the secondary bedroom, let's go in here. This is another secondary bedroom, but look how big this bed is. It's huge. It's probably a queen size bed. This room, there's plenty of space around the bed for dressers, nightstands, nice size. And then the bedroom, it's not a bedroom, it's a closet. The bedroom is really nice too. All right, let's go next door as well.
Before we do, I just want to take a quick look at these views.
Yeah, isn't it beautiful? I was gonna say, for now, we don't know what's gonna be in that field right now, but gosh, for a while until they decide what they're gonna build there, really nice views. All right, so leaving in this bedroom, going back down towards the staircase, you have your full bathroom, and those bedrooms would share. This one has dual sinks and it has a tub shower combo. Yeah, the tile work is really nice. I like it very much, very much. I love the gray and white theme. I'm still a fan, definitely. And then this is the primary suite. So as you can see across the street, they're still building. As of the making of this video, I believe there's 26 homes out here still available, and they're offering some incentives. So if you're interested in this neighborhood, please contact me, and I would love to show you the model in person and figure out which house would be best suited for you. So behind me is the closet. Wow, look at that, there's a third row up there too. That's what I'm talking about. It's where all your winter clothes go. For like 9 months out of the year, because in North Texas, we do need winter clothes, but not very often. So that's actually kind of perfect. All right, and then let's go take a look at the bathroom. Nice, good size walk-in shower, and you've got your separate vanities, smaller one on the left and the larger one on the right. And you can see large window, well, not windows.
Mirrors.
Large mirrors. My husband's like, oh my gosh, they can see me. That's okay. And then here is the throne room.
What you call failed camera work, right?
Failed camera. Well, it's hard when you got mirrors on 2 walls. It's really hard. But if you'll show them real quick right here, there is a door to the throne room, to the bathroom. Sometimes the smaller homes won't have this, which it's needed. It's needed, especially if you're, yeah, it's needed. I'll just leave it at that. All right, like I said before, this house is priced right now for the base price of $397,990. Now they do have a few quick move-in homes. There's one, it's a Sweetwater, same floor plan, and it's ready right now, same price as the base price, $397,990. Now today is the second week of June in 2025. So whenever you see this video, this neighborhood may be completely closed out. Hopefully not, because there are some really good deals in here if you're looking for a good deal. Something else this builder is offering right now are fenced-in backyards included in the price. So sometimes the fence is an additional cost, but not right now with this builder in this neighborhood. Right now we're looking at the front door of the townhome, and this is the view from the front door. It's this really pretty pond with a fountain in the middle. All right, so here is a shot of the pool area here in Celina Hills. Sorry, the video is a little choppy right there. On the right side are the restrooms, and on the other side of this pool area is also a playground. Now, a lot of times people are a little hesitant about purchasing a townhome because sometimes the HOAs are really expensive per month. So this one for Celina Hills is $349 a month. And that's not too bad considering, since it's a townhome, that the roof is usually covered through your HOA dues and not your own personal insurance. So that can really sometimes help you save money on your home insurance bill. Another perk with this HOA out here in Celina Hills with CB JENI is that the HOA takes care of your sprinkler system and the maintenance for it. They also take care of all the mowing, and the lady at the sales office told me they take care of the mowing in the front and the backyard. Most people will just do the front yard, but she said they also cover the backyard, which is a great extra perk as well. Now here's a little shot too of us driving through the neighborhood. For some reason, I always seem to catch neighborhoods on trash day. So there's all these trash cans out front, but I wanted you to see what a neighborhood looks like when you're driving around. So you'll notice right here, the CB JENI Townhomes end, and then you've got just single family homes that are single detached from here to the back of the neighborhood. So you've got kind of a good mix of both kinds of homes. Now, if you have a budget that's lower than the model we just saw that starts at $397,990, just under $400,000, they do have a floor plan called the Bay Cliff. It's their smallest floor plan. It is 2 beds, 2.5 bathrooms. It's 1,611 square feet. And the base price starts at $331,990. That's a great starting price for a brand new home in such a nice neighborhood and in Celina. If you are looking for a home under $350,000, as long as there are lots available, or as long as they have this plan available still, you can get in for under $350,000 in this neighborhood, which is a great price point. And before I ended the video, I wanted to show you a little drive-by of this really cute little park that's got some picnic tables. You can have a lunch, let the kids play outside on the slide and swings. Nice little place to enjoy a little afternoon with your family. Please feel free to contact me. All my information is in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know I enjoyed making it, and if you have to see more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'd hope to see you in the next video.